Hi guys, all CA and CMS students must watch this video. You know, we don't discuss any love stories, we don't discuss any gossips, we don't talk unnecessary shit in the classroom. And that is the reason why our course duration is short. I can tell you the course duration that we have in CA Inter, CMA Inter, and even CA Final is shortest only because of high productivity is involved. Fine. So let's look at what prompted me to make this video. One of the student has commented like this. Sir, I had a doubt. Earlier, your regular batch for costing is around 156 hours, whereas now it is only 90 hours regular. Many students might feel that it's like a revision batch. Could you please clarify whether entire syllabus is covered within 90 hours? I'm not comparing with anybody. Just genuinely curious to understand your approach. If possible, please reply and make a video, since many students are having this doubt. My straight reply is, I already gave a reply, okay, but my straight reply is, we don't waste students time. You know what we did, what happened, why? For example, I'll show you. If you take our CA Inter courses, okay, we have a regular model, we have a smart model. If you see, the smart model of entire group 1 is 290 hours, whereas regular model is 350 hours, whereas entire group 2 regular model 320, smart model 270. Okay, like why there is a very less duration when you compare with anybody in the industry? Why I don't want even comparison with others? I wanted to compare with our previous version itself. Our previous version classes, each group will be somewhere around 450 to 500 hours, whereas now the maximum itself is 350. Earlier it was 500. You know what we did? We all sat and analyzed our previous version videos and figured out what unnecessary content we spoke in the class. And guess what? It came close to 15 hours on an average in each subject. 15 hours on an average in each. And I think this is what happening everywhere in the industry also. When I speak with my friends also, when I speak with my colleagues also, they share their personal experiences to motivate the students, to make the students more engaging in the class, all that. But what I noticed is that is very good in a face-to-face class. But when it comes to online, where a student is student is facing a lot of challenge to focus on the class. Like, people are not listening in online. The classes, they're not listening at all. They're just buying. They're not listening. And when the course duration is short, that itself they're not listening. When I make the course duration for each subject in CA Inter on an average is like 120, 130 hours. For us, no. On an average, CA Inter 100 marks paper, average course duration 100 hours. For example, law, you take smart batch, it is just 70 hours. You take Shubham sir class, it is some 85 to 90 hours. You take accounts, smart batch, it is 100 hours. Regular batch, it is 110, 120 hours. Costing, it is 85. It is like regular, it is like 95 to 100. Like, you see, they're less than, I can say, fast track of many other academies. Why our content is less? What we did to make, what we did in the past, what we analyzed in the past, and what we rediscovered and gave so productive, so efficient, so powerful content in the short duration. I will tell you. Now, biggest reason why we transformed like this is because many students are not at all watching the class. If I give them 150 hours, I know very well they don't even watch 30-40 hours. They don't even watch 50 hours. But I know somewhere that at least 1/3 of the class they will watch. 50 hours at least they watch. But within that 50 hours, what if we cover at least 50 to 60% of the syllabus? This is the thought behind our transformation. A student is watching on an average 50-60 hours only in each subject, where the course duration is close to 150 hours. What we thought, within this 50 hours, we have to make every minute count. We have to make every hours that student is spending on the video is counted strongly. And then what we did, we analyzed all our previous videos, our previous courses, our previous feedbacks. We spoke to students, some students and all. Then we identified we should not discuss any personal stuff. We should not discuss any unnecessary gossip. We should not discuss what is happening in the Indian economy, what is happening with the Ukraine and Russia, what is happening with Hamas and Israel. No, let's not discuss entire this stuff. We all faculties commonly took an oath. Sir, let's not discuss anything except related to subject. If you want to give a motivation, tell in the class that there will be a motivation video on YouTube so and so channel. You just tell that, that's enough. If a student want to watch, he'll watch it. But in the class, let's not waste the time of the student, because most of the students are not finishing even 50% of the class normally. And when we discuss all this and increase the course duration unnecessarily, that will be even more direct hit at the students' time, direct hit at the students' energy levels, everything. This is what we decide. And guess what? We have worked on all our materials. We transformed our materials at first. You can open and see my audit material, my tax material, GST material, or even costing material, accounts material. You just open and see. PDFs are available on our website. You just open and see. We drafted materials in such a way where entire concept is covered in a crispest manner, in a crispier manner, in a shortest manner, without even missing a single point, by giving fantastic examples of real life industry, everything. So we first worked hard on revamping the material, which is one of the main reason for us to take the duration, to reduce the duration also. If the material is so crisp and clear and comprehensive, our duration will also be reflected. The duration will also be reflected because of the material. The duration got reduced. That is one factor. Two, we don't discuss any unnecessary stuff. We don't discuss nothing, as I already told. So that is one more reason. And all these reasons cumulatively made our course most productive course ever, most efficient course ever, with less duration. You can ask any student enrolled in Zeresta. Many of them have enrolled with a doubt. How come at less number of times it can be covered? And they are surprised. They are surprised to see, oh my God, this is the level at which the course is like. So which means how the faculties are able to cover in lesser time, because we discuss no nonsense. That's it. Earlier we did this mistake, and that's the reason course duration is very huge earlier in our batches, whereas now we didn't do that mistake, and now the course duration has been reduced. Now guys, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to upload full chapter videos in each subject. For example, in costing, we decided to upload standard costing. Standard costing, you know how lengthy it is. Generally, people spend 10 to 15 hours to just watch the class. But you will see 6 to 7 hours is what Ganesh said standard costing. Within that hours, you will see how tremendously you will understand the concept. I can tell you, I can bet you will understand the concept like never before on standard costing, just by spending half the time than earlier what you spent. Accounts, consolidation, full chapter I'm going to upload. Tax, my income tax, capital gains I'm going to upload, full capital gains I'm going to upload. Okay, like this in each subject, one complex topic we are taking, how that topic in a shortest time possible we deliver to the students. So we are going to upload full chapter videos in each subject, so that you just see and experience what efficiency really means, and then come back and reply to this video and comment on those videos. By the way, don't forget to like this video and comment below. So more educational content like this, we will get motivation only when you like and comment and appreciate. Yes or no? As a teacher, we need appreciation. Without appreciation, will not be interested, will not be excited to make the content. Yes or no? So if at all you want to hear more and more valuable and educational content like this, please like and comment below the video. Okay. Now, what are my principles? We focus completely on solving rather than talking. We don't talk, we solve. Every minute that we spend in class is for solving. Every minute is an investment. That's why the course duration is short, but output is massive. It's nothing but why our course duration is shorter, because it's discipline, efficiency, and absolutely SEA mindset, productivity. Guys, in our class also, some unnecessary discussion might come even after we take so many measures. Also, I myself sometimes deviate from the structure, but after we verified it, in my entire income tax, how much unnecessary stuff I discussed, 20 minutes at various places. In auditing, I discussed some unnecessary stuff for 1 hour, not more than that. So when I even verify with all the faculties, not more than 1% or 2% on the total course duration, 1% or 2% only time wastage happened. 98% pure content in the course. This is the reason why our course duration is wrong. And now I will show you what I replied. We literally don't discuss any stuff in the class, only pure content. We worked a lot in the background on material and classes, and the reason is, this is the reason for lesser content. Just ask anyone enrolled with us, they will tell you how depth and 100% we cover. Efficiency is what we believe in. For giving most efficient classes without even experiencing, you people are questioning, is it a revision batch or regular batch? It's a proper regular batch. Even a student who is a first timer can understand. I'm telling you, can understand. That's it. Okay, so I hope I have given you entire clarity on why our course duration is lesser, and to prove it for many students, we are also going to upload full chapter demo videos, full chapter in each subject. One complex chapter we take and upload. You will understand how productive it will be, how massive it will be, how efficient it will be. Okay, and guys, please, just enrolling into the classes will not give you success. Just you bought rest classes, you bought someone's faculty class, you bought India's top faculty class, you will not be succeeding just because you buy the class. You will succeed only when you watch the class. Your success depends upon watching the classes, not buying the. Okay, all the very best.